Hey YouTube! This is how you play G chord on your guitar. Your third finger will be on the sixth string, the very top, and the second finger will be on the second fret, and your pinky finger with your fourth finger will be on the first string on the third fret. So second finger on the second fret on the fifth string, and your third finger on the third fret on the very top, the sixth string, and your pinky finger is the fourth finger will be on the first fret on the first string on the third fret. Sorry. So there's your G major chord. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to keep updated for future lessons. Thanks for watching.